Good morning, students. This is me, Dhawla from N.L.K group of schools. Today, we are here with our new topic, and it is time. Yes, it is time. So, can you see here a circle? Yes, this is a circle. And now, we will learn how to make a clock. This is called the face of a clock. It has 12 small divisions with a gap of 5. So, here we have 12 numbers. The hands in a clock moves from right hand side towards left hand side, which is called clockwise direction. So yes, we have made 12 small divisions here. Yes, at a gap of 5. Starting from here, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Yes, we have 2 hands in a clock, a minute hand and a hour hand. Bigger hand is called minute hand and hour hand is the smaller hand. Let's represent our school timing, that is 9 o'clock on our clock. And our hand moves, yes, 2 times in a day. Why? Because we all know that one day has 24 hours and a clock can represent only 12 hours at a time. So, an hour hand moves twice a day and minute hand moves, yes, 60 times in an hour, because we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, as we know, we told that we are going to represent our school timing in a clock. So here we have, yes, the small hand is on 9, as I told you that our school timing is 9 o'clock. So yes, smaller hand is on 9 and the bigger hand, which is representing minute hand, is at 12, that means 60. So, the time becomes, yes, 9 o'clock. Now let's see how do we write it. This is 9 o'clock, or we write it 9:00. Students, we all know that we go to school in the morning. So, the timing between 12 at night to 12 in the noon is written in terms of AM. So, yes, this is 9 AM. Yes, so from 12 o'clock at night to 11:59 o'clock in the noon. From 12 o'clock at night to 11:59 o'clock in the noon is represented with AM. And from 12 o'clock in the noon to 11:59 AM at night is represented with PM. So yes, the day timing is represented with the help of AM, and afternoon along with evening is is represented with PM. Now we learn how to read and write time. Dear students, we have three hands here. The smaller one is hour hand as told, the bigger one is minute hand, and the one which is continuously in motion, red color, is the second hand of a clock. This moves the entire day and this takes 1 minute, yes, and moves 60 times in 1 minute because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Dear students, now we will study about a time chart that says 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day, 30 or 31 days in few months make 1 month, 12 months make 1 year, or 52 weeks. There are 52 weeks in an year. And after every 4 years, we get a leap year. After every 4 years, we get a leap year. That is, example, if 2020 was a leap year, that means it was a leap year, then 2016 was a leap year before this year, and after this, after a gap of 4 years, that means in 2024 we will be getting another leap year. Let's recall it once again. 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, 24 hours is equals to 1 day, 30 or 31 days is equals to 1 month, 12 months is equals to 1 year, 52 weeks is equals to 1 year. After every 4 years, we get a leap year. Example, if 2020, that is 2020 was a leap year, we'll get another leap year in 2024, and the leap year which we had before this was in 2016. Let's give you one more thing, class. The years, yes, the last two digits of leap years are divisible by 4. If we talk about 2020, that is, if we talk about last two digits, that is 20, 0 and 2. This is divisible by 4. If we talk about 2016, we have 16 as last two digits. This is divisible by 4. If we talk about 2024, it has 24 at its end. So this is divisible by 4. Dear students, now we will learn about how to read and write time. The time which is shown in the clock is 11:15. That is 11:15 o'clock. Now the smaller hand is at 11, that is the hour hand, and the bigger hand, that is the minute hand, is at 3. That is 3 into 5 is 15. So the time is 11:15 a.m. We can read out this time in 3 ways. One is 11:15 a.m. The other is 11:15 because the bigger hand, that is minute hand, is at 3. That means 15 minutes are over for 11. Now, or we can also say 15 minutes past 11. Children, we need to see that after 3 at 3, we call the time as 11:15. So if we talk about the time which is here, the smaller hand is at 12 and the bigger hand is at 3, that is 15 minutes. So we can also say that it is 12:15, or we can also say that 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12. Now we will see 11:30. Here the smaller hand is almost at 11 and the bigger hand representing 30 minutes is at 6. So we can read it out as 11:30 am or half past 11 because half an hour is past for 11, or 30 minutes past 11 as half an hour is equals to 30 minutes. Now we will study about quarter to. Dear kids, you'll see here the smaller hand, that is of our hand, is more towards 2, or we can say it is almost towards 2, and the minute hand is at 9, that is 45 minutes. So when it is all about to be 2, we read it as 1:45 p.m. as it is afternoon now, so we are using p.m. Quarter to 2 because it is almost reaching 2, or we can also say that 45 minutes past 1. Dear students, now we will study how to read before and after in time. So, as we have studied here, the time at this moment is quarter to 2. Quarter to 2, and suppose we have to go before 2 hours. That is, what we will have to do, we will start moving in a backward direction. We will take this hour hand 2 place prior. That means this is at 2, 1 and 12. We'll take it to 12. So earlier it was quarter to 2. Now when we counted backward counting and we placed it before 2 digits, so it is now quarter to 12. That means before 2 hours it was quarter to 12 or 45 minutes past 12. Now tell me the time at this moment. Yes, it is 3:30 or half past 3 or 30 minutes past 3. Now if we have to count 2 hours after this 3, what we have to do? We will start moving forward. That means right like a clock, we'll move to 3, then 4, and we will add 4 plus 1, that is 5. So yes, now the time becomes 5:30. Why? Because we have moved 2 places ahead. When we started, it was 3:30, and when we added 2 to it, then it became 4:30 plus 1 more hour, it became 5:30. Thank you kids. Now we'll be meeting with a new topic.